Today's press conference is in connections with the recent statement of Amit Shah in the press interactions of India today. Union Home Minister Amit Shah recently has stated that the ongoing Manipur violence is an ethnic clash between the two ethnic communities. But contradictory to what the Union Home Minister Amit Shah had recently stated while replying to the no confidence debate last year in 2023 in Lok Sabha, had blamed the Manipur High Court's order on the petition related with demand for inclusion of Meitei in scheduled tribe list of India. He also blamed the illegal infiltrators from Myanmar for the violence in Manipur. What about these statements in the parliament as well as in the statement in the different places by Amit Shah ji? And these statements of Union Home Ministers which have been made in the last 19 months are a clear indications of self-contradictions of the Union Home Minister himself on resolving the Manipur crisis. On the other side, Chief Ministers of Manipur Shri N. Biren Singh, in the beginning of the turmoil in May 2023, had stated that the present turmoil was due to the failure of the law and order and the lapses of the intelligence. Later, the ministers has stated that the ongoing turmoil in Manipur was due to the illegal immigrants from Myanmar. This is also one of the statements made by Honorable Chief Ministers of Manipur in 2023. Again, this statement of Chief Ministers of Manipur, which have been made in the last 19 months, a clear indications of self-contradiction and self-confusions of the Chief Ministers of Manipur himself on resolving the Manipur crisis. Chief Minister Shri N. Biren Singh, who also holds the home portfolio, stated at Vijay Divas celebrations in Imphal yesterday that I have no ideas to whom intelligence agencies have been submitting their reports. It's very quite funny, these questions which have been made yesterday by the Honorable Chief Ministers in that functions, no? And also stated, whereas the violence crisis in the 19 months old, I have not been receiving any intelligence in the last 15 months. This is also stated by him. He didn't get any this intelligence report in the last 15 months. So what is this? Is it the responsible statement of the Chief Ministers? Being the Chief Ministers who holds the home, he is saying that he didn't get any reports from the intelligence. Who is holding this home portfolio? Whether by these Chief Ministers or other by or Amit Shah. Amit Shah directly control this home portfolio from Delhi. It is in fact, it is a self-confusion statement of the Chief Ministers. It's a very irresponsible statement of the Chief Minister. So how Dari says that being the Chief Minister, he is saying that he didn't get any informations, any reports from the intelligence department, which is under his control. It shows that it is something like directly controlled by Delhi, by Amit Shah. Sometimes it seems that it is undeclared presidential rule, directly controlled by Amit Shah. So, if it is not, then he should not say. So, it's a very unfortunate for the entire people of Manipur that such statement of the Chief Ministers is irresponsible and there is no accountability at all. This statement of the Chief Ministers shows that complete incompetence, height of this confusion maintaining law and order, lack of these visions in bringing the peace and the normalcy in the state. So how can he initiate to bring this restoration of peace and normalcy here in Manipur, whereas he said that there is no any power to control the Home Department, including the Intelligence Department, which is a very confusing state. Further, not only that, the Indian Home Ministers and the Chief Ministers of Manipur have made self-contradictory statements to their own statement respectively. The statements of the Indian Home Ministers and the Chief Ministers of Manipur are also contradictory to each other. It is because of the Indian Home Ministers recently made the ongoing turmoil is ethnic clash only which takes place between the two ethnic communities only while the chief ministers of Manipur has been making illegal infiltrators from Myanmar to be behind the ongoing violence. These contradictions and confusions between the home ministers and the chief ministers of Manipur are the main factors for their failure to bring peace and normalcy in the state of Manipur. So this is a serious question. After Union Home Ministers Amit Shah statement on ongoing violence as ethnic clash only between the two ethnic communities only, there he has to answer. Is the Home Ministers who has recently stated that the violence is ethnic clash only planning to divide Manipur on the ethnic lines? Is there any hidden agendas of the Union government of India to divide Manipur on ethnic lines? This is a simple question that we raise these questions to the Union Home Ministers and the Chief Ministers of our state. Because the different versions of the statements in the last 18 months, which makes embarrassment to the entire people of Manipur, and also the irresponsible statement of the Chief Ministers who hold this home portfolio and saying that he didn't get any reports for the last 15 months. Being the Chief Minister is very funny. So this question has to answer by the Union Minister. And also, Honorable Chief Ministers also should answer these questions. This is the questions that we want to ask to the Union Ministers and the Chief Ministers.
Chief Minister yesterday made a statement that some agencies are giving wrong information to the central government, which led to the destabilizing Manipur. So, what do you think? He should specify who are those central agencies or agencies?
In case if he is one of the honorable MLAs or ministers, his question is reasonable. Being the Chief Minister is not reasonable. Being the Chief Minister, he should handle and he should control the intelligence department, whatever the central agencies also. After these questions comes, the responsibility of the Chief Minister is no more. Being the Chief Minister, he should control, he should coordinate whatever the agencies are there, even the central agencies or the state agency. In case if it is the central agency, he should coordinate through the help of the Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah, because it is a double engine government. He should coordinate to the centers, he should screen and control whatever it is. In case of the state reports, state agencies report, like intelligence report of the state, he should directly control. If he is unable to control the state agencies or the state intelligence, then he is no more Chief Minister. His responsibility is no more in the state. That is why these 18 months completed violence, there is no more peace. He cannot bring peace here in the state. There is, it shows that it is totally neglected by the central government. That is why the present violence is still continue.
Okay, one more thing. In the recent protests out there, some Kuki areas had protested in result of non-producer demanding for separate administration as a union territory as such. You see, while we taking their oath as an MLA, they had adhered to the oath that has indicated that they will be protecting the integrity of the state. In spite of that, they have protested, you see, demanding another separate administration of the union territory. How do you really think it serves the oath that has been taken in the assembly?
Yeah, basically these demands by these MLAs and the ministers of this Kuki community, they belongs to BJP. This double engine government should give this answer because they belongs to BJP, and still those who demanded, they are still continue the ministership. So from our point of view, the ideology of our Congress party, we stand always for unity and the integrity of the state. There will be no compromise at all. is a very clear that this chapter is nowhere in the Congress party. Thank you.